how to delete a Facebook business page linked to your account. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to basically switch to your page. So in example, in my case, I have it here. If you don't see it here, you can just go ahead and click your account and then click this one right here in order for you to switch. Once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and click it once again, and then we're going to go ahead and open the settings and privacy. Click on settings. Now here, I want you to go ahead and look for this one right here, access and control. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one, and then we have two options here: deactivating, which is temporary, and then deleting, which is permanent. So from here, go ahead and choose delete, and then go ahead and click continue. So you have the option to download or to transfer your information, but if you don't need it, you go ahead and click continue once again, and then lastly, you are just going to enter your password in order for you to confirm this one. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done.